In this piece, I see a beautiful woman or a mother, semi-dressed with various types of flowers, and 4 children. They are buried under all different types of fruits, and they are adorned with flowers. One child seems to be feeding off her mother's breast. The mother welcomes her to it as she puts her arms around her. Another child seems to be resting in the woman's lap as if asleep or resting. At the mother's foot, another child lays asleep against her knees on the floor and is covered in flowers and fruit as well. In the far left, there is another child covered in flowers from head to toe, and she seems to be bending down as if to pick something off her heel. All this occurs in the front of a beautiful cloudy universe that's surrounded by various planets. I think that this piece is about Mother Nature. The woman may represent Mother Nature and all of its gifts. The many types of flowers, the beauty that they provide, and all the wonderful fruits represent abundance. The children may represent humankind. I believe that the artist is trying to express the beauty of Mother Nature, because there is no reality to this piece. The scenery entices you by the beauty of the flowers and fruits and the semi-nudity of the mother and the children. The background is covered in clouds and stars and many other planets, nothing like real Earth. This piece enticed me from the first glance. I feel it was not simple to interpret, and the children almost were lost in the painting. It used vibrant colors, and the child feeding from her mother's right breast was a bit risky, but it drew me in. The way this painting is a good work of art is that it has a lot of detail in it. The way this painting is a good work of art is that it has a lot of detail. It has hundreds of flowers and fruits, and if you look closer, you can see many details you may have otherwise missed at a simple glance. The woman's gown is clear like a veil and transparent like, as well as the children's, to give the viewer a sense of nudity, yet keeping this painting modest to the appreciator. This experience may change my life, because this is a painting that I believe I will never forget. It is very beautiful and very unusual. My interpretation compares to the museum the interpretation was very close. My interpretation of this piece was the symbolism of nature and abundance, but I failed to interpret fertility as well. Also, the 4 children symbolize to me mankind, but the museum's interpretations stated that the children symbolize the 4 seasons. The comparison opened my eyes a bit wider and helped me understand the painting better and appreciate it even more.